I'm Jordan, and this is what you need to know about your Backbeat Fit 3100 earbuds. Your earbuds are powered on and in pair mode straight out of the charge case. Simply select BB Fit 3100 from your Bluetooth settings menu. These ear tips are designed to fit over 90% of ears. You can rotate them to fit the shape of your ears, and the flexible stabilizers helps ensure they stay snug. Your right earbud is your primary earbud by default and controls a few key functions. To play or pause your music, click once. To skip tracks, click twice. To skip back, click 3 times. To answer or end a call, click once. To activate a virtual assistant like Siri, Cortana, or Google Now, click and hold for 2 seconds and release. Your left earbud by default lets you control the volume. Make your music louder with a single tap. And to lower the volume, simply touch and hold. To customize your left earbuds controls, download the Backbeat app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. With My Tap, you never have to interrupt your workout. Assign 1 or 2 taps to features such as a timer, stopwatch, or your favorite playlist. Once they're set, tap your earbuds once or twice to initiate your custom features. When you finish your workout, place your earbuds back in the charge case. This will automatically power them off and make sure that you're always charged. We hope you enjoy your new Backbeat Fit 3100 earbuds.
Experience rich audio and freedom that fits with Skullcandy's Smokin' Buds 2 wireless earbuds. These in-ear buds feature Bluetooth functionality and a 6-hour battery life, letting you take your playlist wherever you go. Use the low-profile and removable flex collar to adjust for the perfect fit and keep buds in their place, or remove it entirely for a casual look. Taking calls, changing the track, and even pairing your device is simple with the onboard mic and remote. When you're low on battery, the LED indicator will flash red and a tone will sound. Plug in the provided micro USB to charge up and get back to the playlist that inspires you most. Offering Skullcandy's signature supreme sound and freedom that fits, the Smokin' Buds 2 wireless earbuds.